Manang Lucena, an amazing cook of Sampaloc.
We ask so you may know.
We feature so you may appreciate.
We inform so you may decide.
We balance so you may judge.
CBRC Tarlac has produced 5 top-notchers for 2 consecutive years. Top 1, 2 top 10s, and top 9 in 2016, as well as top 4 in 2017. Enroll now!
According to Julia Child, no one is a great cook. One learns by only doing. This is true with Manang Lucena Cruz Cortez. This goes out to all the students and all the professionals who have eaten in Manang Sales Karinderya here in España, Manila. Here is her story.
Manang Lucena has always been fond of cooking. It was her innate desire to learn, so she became a good cook, which also happened to be the reason why she was able to build a business to support her family.
Matagal na akong nagluluto since maliliit pa yung mga hula ko dito, merienda, ano-ano, para lang makasanta kami.
Through the years, there remained the specialty dishes that she always cooked, which became popular to her customers.
Adobo, tsaka sinigang.
Sinigang.
Lahat ng may sabaw, mabili naman nila na sinigang, tinola. Yan, pritong isda. Basta ako, pag nagluto ako, lahat meron. May karne, may gulay, isda, para balanse.
But even then, she recalled the moments when she and her family struggled financially, especially after their place was burnt way back in 2013.
2010, isa kami dito. Then, nung nasunugan kami after 3 years, nag-business pa rin kami din. Ganyan pa rin ang hanap buhay ko nung lumipat kami ng Tolentino.
In the end, Manang Lucena shared a very encouraging message to those who are also experiencing hardships in life, especially in terms of money.
Ito hindi sa baga ng kahirapan sa pagpapalak ng bata, sa pagpapaaral. Hindi sa baga ng kahirapan. Basta masipag ka lang, magtiyaga, at bibigyan ka ng lakas.
Pia Garais, CBRC News, Live.
Indeed, the love for good food is what makes an amazing cook, partnered by a heart ready to serve and provide for one's family, like Manang Lucena. We ask so you may know. We feature so you may appreciate. We inform so you may decide. We balance so you may judge. I'm Joyce Ranara and this is CBRC News Live. Good evening.